restroom. Thanks for letting me out of there!
How did you get here?
You rubbed the magic toilet.
So, you're supposed to be,
Genie. What you'd call a genie.
So, does that mean I get, like, wishes?
Yeah, I guess it's the standard 3 wishes or whatever.
Awesome. Well, let me wash my hands and we'll get started.
Haha, it's wish number 1. Just kidding, my man. I'm gonna go wait out there for you. Oh, don't mind me, bro. Just the genie of the toilet. Nice couch. Who? The genie. Your boy in there rubbed the toilet. Out pops a genie. Haven't you ever seen a movie before? Hey, mind?
So, hey, how about those wishes?
Yeah. Mind if I finish this first?
Okay.
Um, Also, do you guys have like soda or anything?
Uh, okay, I guess I could grab you one.
Thanks. Yeah, he's still here.
Glad he is. I want my wishes.
Maybe I should wake him up. Ah, sleep much?
Yeah, can I start making wishes now?
Yeah. Let me go get a little breakfast and we'll get started. Alibaba, what's up, my man? How's it 40 B's? Oh yeah, man. Oh, that's great. That's so awesome.
Hey man, it's not like we don't like having you around, but I kind of like to have my wishes and have you get going.
All right, man.
I wish for $100 million.
Sure, no problem, man. You take cards?
What?
I got Visa, MasterCard. Hey, gift card to TJ Maxx. I'm sure you can get pretty much anything you need from there, right?
Can't you just make like money appear in his account or something?
Bro, this is America. Even I can't do that.
Okay, forget that. I wish for world peace.
Nope.
What do you mean?
I mean, I can't do it. If you're gonna have world peace, everybody has to wish for it at the same time.
Oh my gosh. Okay, well, what about a sandwich? Is that too much to ask for? I wish for a peanut butter sandwich.
No problem.
Huh. Well, I guess that looks pretty good.
Yeah, it does look pretty good, doesn't it?
What are you doing?
What? You didn't wish to eat the sandwich.
That's it. Get out of here.
Is that a wish?
Yes!
It's your last one, bro.
I don't care. Get out of here.
Alright. I'm out of here, man.
I'm glad that's over.
I'll say. Worst genie ever.
Let me use the bathroom and then we'll grab lunch.
Sure thing, man.
Oh, hey, what's up, dude? I got stuck in there. I didn't really want to go anyway. You want to go get some egg rolls? You alright, dude? Dude? Bro?